morning, welcome to Forex Hotel. How may I help you?
Good morning. I would like to stay here.
Do you have any reservation before, sir?
No, I don't have.
May I know what type of room do you want to get? For how long time and how many persons, sir?
I want to reserve one standard twin bedroom for 3 nights from February 8 until February 10. And that's one person only.
Wait a moment, please, sir. I would like to check the room available that you want on that period.
Yes, please.
Thank you for waiting, sir. You're very lucky because one standard twin bedroom is still available on that period. May I explain to you about the room facilities?
Oh, yeah.
The room facilities in our hotel such as private balcony, living room, kitchenette, refrigerator with minibar, wardrobe, television, telephone with telephone attention, air conditioner, and safety deposit box. Bathroom complete with shower, bathtub, and wash basin, complete hot and cold running water, and the hotel facilities such as restaurant and bar, coffee shop, meeting rooms, tailor, laundry, salon and beauty sport area, and parking area. This room is 250,000, include breakfast. Well, sir, would you like to take this room?
Yes, I take this.
Well, sir, please fill up this registration form. This is your pen and enjoy it.
Wait lang.
Thank you.
Thank you.